Hello everyone, today we will see how to create a virtual machine in AWS. So in AWS, a virtual machine is created within EC2 services. So I have already logged in into my AWS account. Within AWS, around 250 services are listed. These services means they are managed operating system kind of thing is provided to a user. For that they will charge some amount. So what is virtual machine as we are creating? So as I have already searched, ask the ChatGPT, explain virtual machine in layman terms. So virtual machine is a computer inside your computer. Imagine you have one physical computer, but you want to use a different operating system or program that needs a separate environment. So instead of buying another computer, you can create a virtual machine. So here, think of an analogy like, think of your host computer as a house. The virtual machine software is like an apartment building within each house. Within each house, there is separate apartment building. Each VM virtual machine is a separate apartment. Even though they are all share the same physical space or same physical machine, each apartment or virtual machine is independent. It has its own key or operating system and can be customized as needed. Okay. So in this case, AWS is providing us the physical machine. Within that physical machine, they have created several virtual machines. Okay, so right now I'm in Mumbai region of the AWS data center or data center. Maybe that is AWS may have a data center in Mumbai where a physical server is running right now, and in that physical server I can create a virtual machine and run my own operating system, and I will be charged hourly for that service. So let's create this operating system virtual machine. So within instances, we will go and click the instance tag and now create a launch instances. Click on the instance, provide a name, my first virtual machine. Now select the operating system you want to run. So I have selected the Ubuntu 24.04 long-term support. Machine architecture 64-bit. Instance type T2 micro. This is naming convention used by AWS. The configuration of T2 micro is 1 GB memory. What is the charge per hour they will, and how much they charge per hour is 0.0124 USD per hour for this. If you are first time creating the virtual machine, you have to create a key pair. Okay, this key pair is so here provide any name you want to provide for your key. I'll provide my key type is, key pair type is RSA. RSA means this is an encryption algorithm used for the key to keep the secret, and the private key file type is .pem, because we will use the open SSH connection to log into our virtual machine. So I have my key already created, so therefore I will select my existing key. What is SSH for that matter? So as the physical device is stored in Mumbai and I am right now in Bengaluru. So SSH is a protocol which stands for secure cell or secure socket cell. So secure socket cell is useful for security while connecting to remote server. Okay, the internet connection is not so secure, therefore we use SSH protocol while connecting to our virtual machine. Okay, otherwise your virtual machine can be hacked or by somebody else and you will be charged some heavy amount. Therefore security is eminent for using, so therefore it is recommended to use SSH connection. So now within network settings, everything is already predefined. See, you have to check whether the allow SSH traffic is enabled or not from anywhere. This is predefined by default. So see the summary. The number of instances we want is one. Software image or operating system is 12.2407. Virtual server type T2.micro. Storage volume 8 GB, one volume. Free tier, we are eligible for free tier. 70 hours T2.micro. So let's launch the instance. This will take few seconds. So successfully initiated launch of instance. So the process of spinning up of the virtual machine is initiated, but still it will take few seconds to ready. So right now our instance in pending state. Okay, few configurations are going on behind the scene or under the hood. As our instance is ready for use, the status will change to running. So let's refresh one more time. So right? So see the instance state is in running. So just select this instance and click this connect button. As you click on the connect, you will be what move on to will be the new page is displayed. In this page, see this example thing SSH, how to connect using SSH. So we will copy this command and go to the folder where you have stored your key pair. Okay, my key pair is stored in download folder. So in here, write cmd and enter, press enter. So paste the command we have copied from the SSH connection tab. As you press enter after pasting the command, the prompt is asked whether you want to connect and store your fingerprint or your password. That key related fingerprints are stored here. So write yes and enter. So we have successfully logged in into our virtual machine. To see the IP address, 12 IP address 172.168.135. Go into your AWS account and see the private IP address is 172.31.135. See, first thing first, what will you do? You have to update your operating system. Hyphen Y means hyphen Y stand for that. Otherwise, one will ask a prompt. You want to continue or not? So Y stand for yes. Okay, I want to continue. So whatever the updates are, we will upgrading the operating system right now. It will take around 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Already 97%. It's depend on your internet connection. So now just clear the screen and you can check. So nothing right now, nothing, no files or folders exist in this virtual machine. So let's create a folder. KDI docs ls. Okay, now cd chain directory docs. Now create a file. Touch command will get touch command. My first file .txt. Sorry, the spelling misspelled. All right, no problem. So let's move into. Let's open this file in a text editor. Nano text editor we are opening. I and then my first file in virtual machine. Control S to save. Control X to exit. Now we will use cat command to see the contents of the file. See cat file name dot extension, and you can see the file is already listed within our directory. So see for the more details, what is the read write operation is whether allowed to the user or not. You can use ls space dash ltr. Okay, this is read write operation. Permission is listed here. So this is the way we create operating system in. So this is the way you can create virtual machine in AWS environment. So before closing everything, just go here and stop this instance. Otherwise, you will be charged, and you will be charged hourly. Even then, you run your virtual machine for a second or 30 minutes, you will be charged per hourly. Okay. So see the instance state is stopping the process initiated for stopping the instance ID. This one, see here the notification stopping, and after that, you just select this instance and terminate the instance. Okay. Otherwise, you will be still charged. If your instance is in stopped state, but you have not terminated the instance, means you are using the space or your instance is somewhere stored in the AWS environment. So therefore, they will charge some amount. Exact figures you can check. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section.